Alright guys, we're back on a tower video again. So uh tahan, how is he floating? So or only we have 8 seconds. So uh really I don't know. Oh okay. Huh? So we are good at this game. Huh? How? No. Oh my god, I almost fell on that. Bro, what the? Ah, bro, what the? Mana tahu, mana. Just kidding. So yes sir. Here. Jump, jump. No. What the? The just kidding. Bener-bener tahu bener-bener. Mana tahu mana. Okay. What the hell? Why is so? Come on, girl, you can do it. Bro, what the? Well, Excel guys, they like my card out. They like my character. So comment here if you love my character. Did you remember last time when I play a Roblox and tower? You saw it. I keeping fill right till now. I'm the alpha. Oh, just kidding. You know, brighter. The admin on Grow a Guard. I just literally watching 14 and suddenly his video come and brighter come because brighter is an admin. I said admin. Okay. What the? Keep up on trick, Wait. What? Wait, huh? Oh, okay. I thought I died. Mana. Mana. Do-do-do-do. Let's go. Oh, snap! I forgot. I, I said in Grow a Garden I'll be plant a ember lily, right? Oh my god, how did I forget it? Tomorrow I'll make it because let me out! Let me out! What the hell? Yeah.